Hi, my name's John, one of the technical trainers at the Viessmann Training Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the service covers from the Vitocal 150 and the 151 air source heat pump. The Vitocal 150 has one service cover to be removed, and this can easily be done by two spring-loaded catches located underneath, one on the left and one on the right. You can then gently lift forward and up to remove off the two retaining hooks off the top of the indoor unit. Moving on to the 151, that has two service covers to be removed. The top one will have to be done first by the small handle provided. Lift up, that will expose the little retaining catch, which you can see there. Small screwdriver, release that retaining catch, and then you'll be able to remove the top cover. That will then expose two spring-loaded catches again, just like the 150, one on the left, one on the right. Once you've released those, lift out, and that will expose the internal components. The outdoor unit is exactly the same for the 150 and the 151. That has one service cover located on the side. Release the two extended nuts underneath to a certain point, and you'll know because you'll be able to slide down the side panel, which you'll see here. Lift out, there you go, and then it exposes all the internals. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and please look out for our other videos on the Viessmann Installer channel.